Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share latest wall aquarium design collection. Dive into the mesmerizing world of wall aquarium designs with our latest video collection. Explore innovative and stunning aquatic step-ups that seamlessly blend art and nature. From sleek modern installations to captivating themed aquariums, discover inspiration for transforming your space into a tranquil underwater heaven. Join us on this visual journey as we showcase the most breathtaking wall aquarium designs that redefine the boundaries of home decor. Enhance your living environment with the beauty of aquatic artistry. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.